Hey guys, welcome to this episode of Kit Corner. Today I'm going to be talking about the Baofeng 888S walkie-talkie style radios. Now, when you buy them, they come in a 2-pack in this box. You open the box up, you get an owner's manual, 2 radios, 2 antennas, 2 charging stations, 2 earpieces. There's also 2 belt clips and 2 of these little lanyards. You have to completely assemble the radios yourself when you get them, so be aware of that. Now, onto the radios themselves. We use these radios for our personnel that are not ham certified for when we have operations and we need comms. They are a pretty basic, easy to use radio, and they are marketed as being a walkie-talkie type radio. One thing that should be noted though, the channels that these radios come with preloaded are not legal for use out of the box in the United States. So you do need to reprogram these radios using the Chirp software in order to get US legal channels on them, such as FRS or GMRS or unrestricted channels. Now the radios themselves are pretty simple, straightforward. On the back you have a removable battery pack. The radios can charge in the charging stations with the battery pack on, or you can take the battery pack off and put them in the charging stations as well. You have a belt clip that you can add on here. You can also leave the belt clip off, and then we use safety lanyards also, but you can leave those off as well. Comes with a basic antenna that just screws on. And then you have your on-off and channel selector buttons here. Over here you have your PTT button and 2 function buttons. One of the function buttons runs, here I'll turn it on, we'll show you.
Power on. 5.
So this button right here is the squelch button. You hold it down and it shuts off all squelch. This button here, the bottom one, is your flashlight or function button. And that turns the flashlight on. It's got 2 modes. Now one thing that should be noted about these radios also is there's no screen. So you heard it talk to me when it came on. That's the only way you know that what channel it's on or what it's doing. So channel selector.
4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
That's how you cycle through your channels. So you need to know when you program the radio what frequency is on what channel, because it only tells you what the channel number is and not what the frequency is.
15, 16.
It has 16 channels, and that's it. So you are a little bit limited, but remember these are meant to be walkie-talkie style radios. Channel 16 has an interesting feature in that it can be programmed to transmit and receive on a specific frequency, but it also has scanning software built into it. So if you have it on channel 16, it'll scan the other channels, but still only transmit the one that's programmed to it. And you can tell that it's scanning because it's got the green indicator light that's blinking,
15,
which doesn't happen
14,
on any other channel.
13.
Now, like most Baofeng radios, it does have the standard 2-prong connector, so you can get microphones or use the earpieces that come with them. The earpieces that come with them also have an integrated microphone, so that is an option as well. We don't really use those because these radios are not issued to anyone specifically, and those earpieces are not real great for sharing around. Now, the more common handset mics might be a little bit easier if you're going to be using them a lot and you want to have a microphone, but they're a little bit more expensive and obviously don't come with the radio. Now these radios are pretty cheap. You can buy them in big lots. We actually bought these in packs of 20, and after working it all out, you got free shipping too. It came down to about $5 a radio, which is a really, really good buy, especially if you're looking for a lot of radios for walkie-talkie type functions. If you're doing like event staff or you have a used car lot or something like that, you need to have communications, these are a pretty viable option. Now remember, they are not ham radios. They are primarily meant for FRS, GMRS, so they are not real high powered and therefore do not have a lot of range. They're pretty much just line of sight, walkie-talkie type radios, kind of the equivalent of what you could get at like Bi-Mart. They're just a little bit cheaper, and since we already use Baofeng radios for our other ham radios, it uses the same software for programming, so it kind of keeps it all easier to maintain and easier to manage. what we've done, we've also numbered the radios so we can keep track of them. But we really, really like them. They are easy to use. If you're familiar with Chirp, they're easy to program, and they're cheap. So if something does happen to them, we can swap them out. All right, that's it, and we'll see you next time on Kit Corner.
I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have questions on our videos, leave them in the comment section below, and we'll answer them in our Q&A videos.
If you're interested in checking out any of our gear or taking classes from us, take a look at our website. Also, if you're into airsoft, check out our partner channel, Rolling Thunder Operations. And Training Solutions International is an affiliate company of the Central Aid Agency, so make sure to check out their channel as well.
Well, hope to see you in the next video, and have a nice day.